Hello, this is Anne. So today I'm going to share how to get a big bouncy curl that lasts all day long with just a curling iron. It's super easy to use and it works for all hair type, no matter if you have fine hair or thick hair. I have thick hair and it used to be very hard to curl, so I'm also going to share some of my tricks to make sure the curls are with you all day long. So this is my new favorite. Actually, I think it's going to be everyone's favorite after they use it. It's made in Japan. One thing I like Japanese hair products is that they somehow manage to put all kinds of high technology in it, but the price is very, very affordable. Well, I actually bought this from Amazon, 1-day shipping, so you don't need to wait for like a month from Japan. This one's like $60, $70. You know, when Amazon has it and it has almost like 5-star review, you know it's good. And it almost sounds like I'm advertising for it, but I paid for it myself. I call it Smart Iron, not just because it's very easy to use, but also it has 5 thermal control stages. Normally I start with the lowest, and once you get used to it, you can adjust it, make it higher. But you know, the higher it is, the more damage it's gonna cause. But I'll take less time to make the curl. So first thing, I also use a dry shampoo because it's great for texturizing your hair, especially if you have fun hair, and also give it a grip. That's how hold your curls. Especially for fun hair, you definitely need these. So basically you just put it only on the root of your hair. The one that I have, shake it, it's a mousse. It's like that. But don't worry, it's super lightweight and it will disappear in a second. You just basically can like massage it and then just only put like the root of the hair and then until they all disappear. And I just instantly feel like the texture change a little bit, my hair. You know, at the end of the day, it's gonna absorb the oil and make your curl last longer. Believe me. And then spray some heat protectant. This is my favorite. Oh, it has fruity smell and it's super lightweighted. And also make sure you wait till your hair all the way dry before you put any heat on it. Otherwise, it's gonna do a lot of damage to your hair. Then use this brush to detangle your hair. And one last thing, if you want to volume up your hair, take a strand of hair. I normally use this one. I love this brand. You just spray it at the root and the bottom. It's texturizing your hair and without making you feel like very heavy and all that. I divide into 3 sections. One section. And here's one. The back of my hair into 2 sections. For the inner part, I only curve the bottom of it and give it a nice layer and also, you know, make my hair look longer. Before you curl it, you silk it first. That's why they call it silk your hair. You just feel your hair just instantly shine up. Wrap around it and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. And then you loosen it up. While you loosen it up, you also keep curling. made my buns a little bit crazy. It's almost like a fried noodle. And then I finish it with the finishing gel to keep the shape. And that's it. Let me know what you think and see you next time.